Hi there. Today on Just the Tip, I'm going... Hi there. That was my elbow. Did you hear that? Alright. Hi there. Today on Just the Tip, I'm going to show you how to use Yellow Beauty's Red Erase Facial Scrub. This Yellow Beauty scrub features turmeric, which is a potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory, so it'll be good for soothing breakouts, eczema, and psoriasis. You typically use a scrub like this once or twice per week. Mix 2 teaspoons of the powder with 1 teaspoon of water and blend until you have a paste. Once your paste is ready, you're going to gently exfoliate your skin. I want to demonstrate to you just how effective turmeric is for soothing your skin. So I'm actually only going to do half my face and then we can compare sides. Once you've exfoliated, you're going to let the scrub sit on your face for a few minutes. When you're ready, gently remove the scrub with water and a cloth. Alright, so let's take a peek. This side of my face where I used the Yellow Beauty Red Erase Facial Scrub, my skin certainly feels a lot softer. The redness has noticeably come down. I have some hormonal acne along my jawline here and it's calmed down a lot as well. The side that I didn't use the Red Erase mask on, my skin feels rougher and generally just not as happy. And there you have it, some quick easy tips for using Yellow Beauty's Red Erase Turmeric Facial Scrub.